Welcome back to MXTV. In this week's top product, we're having a look at the Pro Octane fuel can from Polisport. It holds 20 litres and it's got marks on 20, 15, 10 and 5 litres, so you know how much fuel you've got in the can. It has two handles to make it easier to handle that 20 litres when you're pouring it through to your bike. Another unique feature for the two-stroke riders out there is the plastic pre-mix bottle that plugs into the recess of the Pro Octane fuel can. The quick fill spout and cap seal are much more durable than other gas cans. And in addition to the durable seal is this fantastic locking spout. You keep it locked for when you're traveling, and of course open it up when you want to use it when you're out at the track. It's a great innovation. It also comes in a 10 litre can, and you can purchase it with a quick fill cap or a fill hose cap. The quick fill cap and the fill hose cap are also sold as accessories separately. And the good thing about this gas can is a smaller footprint. See there, it's a little bit narrower and a little bit taller, which makes it much easier for packing when you're out on the trail ride or going to the motocross track.